This vehicle is the Hyundai Sonata New Rise, a popular midsize sedan known for its reliability and smart design. What you're looking at is an LPG-powered taxi model that has been thoroughly inspected and handpicked by Korea Used Car for international export. Thanks to its excellent fuel efficiency, low maintenance cost, and durability, this vehicle is a favorite among overseas buyers. Take a look at the front design. Hyundai's signature wide hexagonal grille gives it a bold appearance, while the sharp LED headlights add a modern, aggressive edge. On the driver's side, everything lines up beautifully. The panel gaps are even, the paint is original and well maintained, and the doors open and close smoothly with no misalignment. The alloy wheels are clean and undamaged, adding to the vehicle's overall impression of quality. Moving to the rear, the design remains sharp and cohesive. The lower bumper on the passenger side has a minor dent, but it doesn't impact structural integrity or daily use. These tiny imperfections are normal for used vehicles and are fully disclosed to maintain transparency. There is a slight scratch near the rear passenger wheel arch, but again, it's hardly visible unless you look up close. The entire right side of the car, including the doors and fenders, is in great shape, no signs of previous repairs or panel replacements. Now, let's take a closer look at the body condition through a professional paint thickness test. We're using a digital gauge to measure the thickness of the paint on multiple panels across the vehicle, including the hood, fenders, doors, and trunk. What we're checking for here is consistency. If the paint has been reapplied due to previous bodywork or repairs, the readings would show uneven results. Some areas thicker, some thinner than factory standards. But as you can see, the numbers here are stable and uniform across all sections. That tells us this vehicle still retains its original factory paint, and there's no sign of repainting or accident damage. It's one of the most reliable ways to verify structural integrity without relying on guesswork. At Korea Used Car, we include this inspection for every vehicle before export. Because when you're buying from overseas, you deserve full transparency and confidence in what you're getting. It's not just about how the car looks, it's about how it's been treated from day one. Opening the trunk, you'll find ample cargo space, clean, dry, and free of odors or damage. It's large enough for luggage, work gear, or family trips. The spare tire and toolkit are present and untouched, with the trunk flooring in excellent shape. Inside the cabin, we open the rear left door to reveal a neat and well-kept space. The leather seats show minimal signs of use, no tears, sagging, or discoloration, and there are no smoke or chemical odors, which many buyers are especially sensitive to. The chassis number sticker is clearly visible and intact, confirming authenticity. There's a small area of wear on the front driver's seat edge, which is quite common in taxi vehicles. Other than that, the seat cushioning is firm, and the power adjustments function properly. Upon startup, the engine runs smooth with no knocking sounds, and gear transitions in both drive and reverse are fluid with no delay or hesitation. The rear camera provides clear visibility, which helps greatly when backing into tight spaces. The steering wheel turns easily, showing no stiffness or resistance. All integrated controls for media and hands-free calling work flawlessly. There is a small crack in the plastic near the gear lever, barely noticeable, but it doesn't affect usability. Overall, the interior is clean, comfortable, and free from excessive wear. Let's move under the hood. The bonnet opens smoothly, and all hinges and insulation panels are in place. The engine bay is clean and free of oil stains or corrosion. The engine itself sounds consistent and healthy, with no warning lights or unusual noises. Korea Used Car exports only vehicles that meet our strict quality standards. The car shown here has already been sold, but it's a great example of the type of vehicles we provide. Our focus is on clean, well-maintained LPG taxis and sedans that offer both reliability and affordability. If you're looking for a partner you can trust in the Korean used car market, look no further than Korea Used Car, your reliable export source for premium used vehicles.